This is the Bounce Columbus Community Report. I'm Kahari Inaharo. Joining me is Luis Biava. He is with the Columbus Symphony, and he is the principal cello. So, my goodness, you just dynamite. Tell me what's going on.
Well, we have a great concert coming up this weekend. I'm very proud to be part of the member of the Columbus Symphony. And we have Tito Puente Jr. and John Cicada coming out to just grace us with their great Latin music explosions with fusion pop and everything.
Sounds great. When?
It's this Saturday at 8 o'clock at the Columbus Commons, and only $30. And you can bring your own food, your own drink for adults and kids as well.
You guys are doing a lot of great programs. I mean, you got some fantastic things coming up. How important is this kind of music to the community?
It's very important because it involves everybody all the time, in addition to what we do in the Ohio Theater, our classical programs, which is for all people as well. So we did Pink Floyd, we did Jefferson Starship, Kool and the Gang.
So you just do a lot of great stuff.
Yes,
all right.
definitely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
All right then. Bounce Columbus Community Report. I'm Kahari Inaharo.